Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read chapter 7 Use Your Talent. Let's read the story. This is a story from the Bible. It is a parable, that is, a story that teaches us something good. Once there lived a rich man. He had to undertake a long journey. Just before leaving, he called his 3 servants and gave them a few gold coins each. To the first servant he gave 5 gold coins, to the second one he gave 2, and to the third one he gave 1 gold coin. He told them to trade with the coins till he returns from his trip. He then left. Students, this is a simple story which has been used to explain a moral from the holy book Bible. There was a rich man who had to go on a long journey. But before going, he called up his 3 servants and gave them some gold coins. To the first one he gave 5 gold coins, second one he gave 2, and the third one he gave 1 coin, respectively, for trade. The 3 servants went and did as he wished. After a long time the rich man returned. He called all 3 of them to find out what they had done with the coins he gave them. He called each one and asked for an account. He found that the first servant had traded with his 5 coins and earned 5 more. The second servant too traded with his 2 coins and earned another 2. The third servant did not do any trade. He had simply dug a hole in the ground and buried his coin. He produced the coin just as he had received. Okay. काफ़ी टाइम बाद, लंबे समय के बाद, जब वो अपनी जर्नी से वापस आता है, he called all the 3 servants and asked them what did they trade? What did they do with those coins? The first servant traded with 5 coins and earned 5 more coins. The second one traded with 2 coins and also earned 2 coins. But third one servant buried his coin in the ground. The rich man was very pleased with the first 2 servants. He told them to keep what they had earned together with what he had given them. As for the last servant, the rich man got so annoyed that he took away the single gold coin and gave to the one who had earned 5 coins. The rich man sent the third servant away. The coins stand for talents given to us by God. These talents are to be used. If we use them, they grow, otherwise they are lost. So, students, the rich man was satisfied with the first 2 servants, but was angry with the third one. He took that 1 coin and gave to the first servant who had earned 5 coins. So, in this story, the coins refer to the talents. If we use our talent in a systematic way, then only we will be successful in life. Otherwise, we will ruin our life. So, moral of the story is, make the best use of your talents. Thanks and have a nice day.